जय श्री राम मित्रों। तो आज की वीडियो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाली है। आज मैं रैंडम गर्ल्स से पूछने वाला हूँ कि वो क्या प्रिफ़र करती हैं, अरेंज मैरिज या लव मैरिज। इट्स अरेंज मैरिज वर्सेस लव मैरिज वीडियो। तो वीडियो में बने रहिए मित्रों और पूरा वीडियो देखिए और देखिए कि रैंडम गर्ल्स क्या चुनती हैं, अरेंज मैरिज चुनती हैं और क्या लव मैरिज। आई वॉन्ट टू आस्क यू अ क्वेश्चन इफ़ यू अलाउ मी टू।
Okay.
So in future, what will you choose, love marriage or arrange marriage?
I never, I think it's a future event, so I don't have any idea right now.
So in your point of view, what is right, arrange marriage right or love marriage is right?
Today, I think love marriage is more in
So you are saying love marriage is more best than arrange marriage, right?
yeah, people like that more.
Oh wow. So no problem. I want to ask you a question if you allow me to.
Okay, no problem. You can go ahead.
So I am asking that in future what will be you choose, love marriage or arrange marriage?
I'll choose arranged marriage.
Because any specific reason you want to give why you choose arrange marriage over love marriage?
See, I respect my parents' decision.
Oh wow. So you respect your parents' decision. So any more reason you want to give why you choose arrange marriage over love marriage?
I didn't think much about it. My parents don't like love marriage. That's why.
Arrange marriage or love marriage?
Love marriage.
So you would choose love marriage or arrange marriage, I am saying.
I will choose arranged marriage.
Oh wow. Okay, nice. I respect your. If you allow me to, I want to ask you a question. What?
Yeah.
I am saying in future you prefer more arrange marriage or love marriage.
I follow marriage.
Your voice is not coming clear, Rosie. Please check your connection and tell me what you choose in your future, arrange marriage or love marriage.
Hello.
Yes, tell me what will you choose in future, arrange marriage or love marriage?
Yeah. I'll choose love marriage.
Why? Any reason behind that logic?
Because I hear there's so many issues in arranged marriage, and there is not that much comfort in arranged marriages. And also, my mother's father also a love marriage, so I prefer to go with love.
Oh, so have no problem. And if you allow me to, I want to ask a question from you, Komal.
Yeah, you can ask.
So in future, what you prefer the most, arrange marriage or love marriage in future?
I don't like marry. I don't want to marry because I have lot of dream. I want to fulfill my old dream.
So in future, what you prefer the most, arrange marriage or love marriage?
I don't prefer. I don't do marry.
Why anything bad happened to you, Komal? Why are you so saying so negative things?
No. Here is not anything I don't like because everyone have different minds. So that's why I have like this thought. I don't want to do marry.
Okay, no problem. I respect your decision. No problem. I want to ask you a question if you allow me to. I want to ask you a question if you allow me to. What? I am saying, in your, you do arranged marriage or love marriage?
Arranged.
So what you prefer, arranged marriage more or love marriage more?
I don't know.
Arranged marriage. Why? Any reason you want to give?
I don't know. Because whatever it is, our experience and interest.
Oh, so you prefer arranged marriage more, right?
I don't know.
And I also want to ask a question from you, if you allow me to. So I am asking that, in future, what you prefer the most, arranged marriage or love marriage? What?
I'm thinking what I have to say.
Say anything. What you prefer the most in today's time? What is right, arranged marriage or love marriage?
I think love marriage is fine because in love marriage, we know about our partner, what, मतलब, what he is understanding or not, his good qualities, and we know about very well. That's why I prefer love marriage. And what you prefer?
Oh wow, I respect your decision. So in future you will do love marriage, right?
No, I don't want to love marriage.
So why are you saying to ask a question, if you allow me to? So in future, what you prefer the most to do, arranged marriage or love marriage?
Yeah, arranged marriage.
Why? Any reason you want to give? Why you choose arranged marriage over love marriage?
Because I have one part in my 10th class.
What?
So I did it.
Your voice is not clear. What are you saying? Repeat again, please. I am from Uttar Pradesh, Prayagraj, Sangam city.
Okay.
So I want to ask a question, if you allow me to.
Okay.
So in future, what you prefer the most to do, arranged marriage or love marriage?
It's depend upon future.
So tell me, matlab, in this Kalyug, you what you like, arranged marriage is right or love marriage is right?
It depends upon your means future. So the boys are how the boys is. If the boys is right, then I can definitely go with love marriage. If I get someone right, I like him, then I will go with love marriage.
So I want that you choose one thing, arranged marriage or love marriage. Choose one between two.
Choose one.
Yes.
I can't choose one because I don't know about that. I never means think about that. What I will do. Arrange marriage or love marriage.
Okay, no problem. I respect your decision. Ask you a question, if you allow me to.
Yeah.
So in future, what you prefer the most to do, arranged marriage or love marriage? If you have no problem to tell me.
Both.
What?
I can't predict the future. No one can predict the future.
So
No, I don't prefer anything.
So
Either
in
love marriage or arranged marriage.
so in
This question for me.
so in your opinion, in this Kalyug, what is right, arranged marriage is right or love marriage?
Both are bullshit.
What?
Both are bullshit.
Why you your विश्वास is उठ गया from marriage? Why?
दोनों साइड बुरा ही हो रहा है ना. मुझे तो दोनों में ठीक भी बेटर नहीं लगता. एक साइड कुआं है, दूसरी साइड खाई है.
Why so
I
neg?
don't believe in marriage.
Why so negative? Whatever.
I said I can't predict the future, but right now, my thinking is not good about marriage.
So anything bad happened to you?
It will change in future. No, nothing happened with me. I can just see what happened in society with those kind.
Want to ask a question from you if you have no problem.
Yeah.
So in future, what you prefer the most to do? Arrange marriage or love marriage?
I need to arrange.
What?
If my roommate is. वो अरेंज मैरिज करना चाहती है ये बात है
So and you Miss Friend, what you want?
she will do love marriage
Oh wow. So you both on a different now, right?
yeah
So what you like in love marriage? What are the reasons why you prefer love marriage more than arranged marriage?
brother
What?
if I am her roommate okay my name is Vicky do you want to talk with me
What are you saying? Your voice